Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a black cat to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this cute black cat, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here and draw a big curve. And just going to kind of like a leaf shape. So let's go up nice and high for these big cat eyes. And then I'm going to bring it down. And I'm going to end a little bit lower as I come down. And then from there, I'm just going to come right back here and connect it for the bottom of our eye. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to use this as my guide and come right across. But right here, give myself a point. And once again, we're going to do the same thing. And you can drag this point across, so just approximate, you know it's about the same height. And then go down just like the other side. And if you like, you can even drag this point across so you know where that other point is and connect it. So it just makes it a little bit easier for you to see where you're going. And then once again, just like the other side, we're just going to connect this at the bottom. There. Okay, so now that we have these two shapes in, these two leaves for the eyes, we're going to come to the highest point, so right about here in the center. And I'm just going to draw a curve coming down. And same thing here for these cat eyes. And then we're going to come in here and just shade this all in. And I'm just going to come to the top and thicken up the top line. And so same thing here. I guess it won't matter because it's a black cat, right? You won't really be able to see these lines, but if you were not going to color it, you would want to make this line right here at the top a bit thicker, just to anchor the eyes. So come right here and then shade this all in. There's my cat eyes in. And then from there, we're going to come to the top and just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And then now in between the eyes, let's come right here in the center and just going to draw a little cat nose. So I'm just going to draw a curve, round off the sides, and just connect in the center. There. And then we're going to come straight down and then go out. Curve out and cap it off. A very happy black cat and cap it off. Then from there, we need to basically draw the head shape, which is kind of like this oval, flattened oval. So I'm going to come back to about right here, use this as my guide. I'm going to come out close to it, same thing here. And let's go ahead and I'm just going to draw a curve. It's easier for my hand to go this way, so I'm going to go up right here. And I'm just keeping in mind that I'm not making it a very tall head, so I'm just going to say about right here, I'm going to bring it in, come towards my center, about right there. And then I'm going to bring it down. So, right about here. Then always come back in, make any adjustments you need. There, so something like that. And then I'm going to start to bring this out. So this is kind of like the widest part right here. And same thing here. This would be the widest part. And then I can bring it in. So just bring this down a little bit lower. And just gotta find my center and say about right here. Just kind of how low I want it to go. And then now I can just bring this curve down to my point. And same thing and connect everything. So these points just really help if you're drawing big, but if you're drawing small, you might not need it. Okay, so now that I have this ovalish cat head, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So I am going to come to the sides right here and we're just going to pop in some really big, tall cat ears. So let's say about right here, and round off this tip and bring it down. And then I'm going to come in here. This part's going to be wider and then this part's thinner to draw the inside so that I can put some color inside the ears. And so we're going to do the same thing on the other side, about right there. And once again, if you like, you can drag this point across so you know where you're going. And go up. Drag this across. Oops. So say about right here. And once again, round off the tip a little bit and then bring it down to your point. And the inside. There. Okay, and so then we need to draw some whiskers. So you can come right here, and I'm just going to pop in 2 of them. And same thing over here. And here. There, a very simple, hopefully simple and cute cat. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and decorate our cat with a nice, beautiful bow. So in the center right here, I'm just going to draw this little U shape right here for the center of our bow. And then I'm going to come out about right here underneath the eye and just pop in these 2 curves to create the loops of our bow. So same thing about right there. To create a bow, and then I'm going to come in here with 2 little curves for some details, and then let's draw the body. So I'm going to come in about right here and here. So then let's go ahead, we're going to draw the front legs. So let's come in about right here, and so this is a very simplified cat. So I'm going to bring this in, I'm going to curve this a tiny bit. This is going to kind of go straight, and then about right here, I'm just going to connect it with a curve and round it off. And so same thing over here. Kind of just bring it in a little bit, straighten out, about right there, and just like the other side, about right here. Round it off and connect. And you can come in here if you like and just draw 2 little curves right there. And then whatever space you have, just go ahead and connect it with a little line. And then for the back, you can come right about here. We're just gonna pop out this curve and just tuck it in. So same thing here. Nice and simple, right? And tuck it in. There. And then from there, let's see here. Just a little bit thinner. From there, we need to draw the tail. So I'm going to stick the tail about right here. So let's come about here, and I'm going to curve up. I don't want to get in the way of my whiskers, so and right underneath the whiskers, and I'll curve it in, round off the tip, and make this part a little bit thicker, and then we're going to get thinner as we go all the way around. There. So just a little bit thicker right there. Nice and smooth. And last but not least, I'm going to add a little heart right here on our cat, right on the chest. You can make that like a little white heart on our black cat to celebrate Halloween. And I really hope I helped you draw fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.